This video is going to be on getting a key cut, a laser key cut, and a fob. My car happens to be a Prius. I just bought a 2017, so you can watch the video about that. But the reason I'm doing the video, I'm not getting anything from these people. I'm just trying to help everybody out because I saved myself a few $100s. Contact them. I'll give you the info in the video after you watch what I experienced with my car. But contact them if you have any other vehicle. And you could probably save yourself a fortune of money by going through this lock company, this locksmith, the lock shop, instead of going through the auto dealer or some of the other places out there. So watch my info, watch the video, and I'll give you some reasons why you want to go through a lock shop and not buy this stuff online and then go out and have it programmed. Hey people, the reason I'm making this video is I just picked up a new Prius 2017 and I needed to get an additional key and fob. Contacting the dealer, they want $500 plus. So I did a little bit of searching, a lot of searching actually, and if you live in Los Angeles, if you live in the Inglewood area, this is the place to go to, Manchester Lock and Key. This is not a promotional video, they're not paying me, I'm just strictly doing this to help people out that are looking to save themselves a couple $100s. The place charged me, I think it was $280 plus tax, so it all came out to about $308 for a fob with the key. If you go to the dealer, as I said, it's going to cost you about $500. If you go on eBay and buy a remote, which a lot of people do, if you go on eBay and buy a remote, lock shops are going to charge you $65 to program it, which is almost the cost of the $280 over here. If you go in and get the fob with the key and you go to the dealer, they will not duplicate the key. And most of these lock shops, if you ask them to duplicate the key, there's no guarantee that the cut is going to be guaranteed. Did I say that right? There's no guarantee that what they do is going to be working. So they take no liability if they cut the key and it doesn't work. So your best bet is to go to a place like Manchester Lock and Key. They've been around forever. They're on Manchester right next to Aviation, I think. Standing outside here right now as they're programming my fob. And then they're going to cut the key to match the original key. And when I bought the car, they only gave me one key and one fob. The person who originally owned it did not turn in the second key and fob, so as they're programming, they're going to disable that fob. I think they're going to disable the fob, and I believe they can also disable that key, so they can't get in there and start the car up. Alright, so there it is, Manchester Lock and Key, Manchester Lock Services. They are in Torrance. They have an office in Torrance, and they also have an office in Inglewood, and it is definitely the place to go. You will save a couple $100 easily. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes for them to program everything in there. There it is, people. It took them about 10 minutes at the most. They disabled the key. They programmed the two new keys. I will be getting the fobs. The key machine is down right now. I'll be getting a call in a couple days, and I'm going to come in here and they will duplicate the keys. So we've got the fob. We got the new fob here. I'm going to press the pedal. Hard to say, but they did check them all out outside, and I watched them. They checked them all out, and I've got 3 fobs in here, so you really can't tell which one is starting the car up. But I'm very happy with the service. Manchester Lock and Key on Manchester. When I get home, I'll give you the phone number and the address. Wanted to finish up the video by saying everything works really good. These are the original Prius fobs. Exactly the same as what you would get from a dealer. Now, I just want to say I'm going to add some info in here. I'm not getting any benefit out of this. I saved a few $100s, as I said, by going to Manchester Lock. If they're able to charge $280 and pull in a profit, then you got to figure that they're getting these things for 50% of what we're paying for it, which means that the dealer is probably getting maybe $100 worth of supplies and charging $500. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with making a profit. You got to realize the key machine alone cost about $14,000. The programming machine alone, I don't even know. I think it's probably $5,000, $10,000 easily. So these people have to make their money back, and that's understandable. It's a great deal. Even at $280, you know, I went out and I got an extra one because why not? Just in case I'm going to need it, I won't have to hassle with this. So if I were you and you need a fob, they make fobs for more than just Priuses. So if you have any other car, contact them. You might save yourself some money. Good luck, everybody. This is the original key before it is cut by the laser machine. So I'm going to be going down right now and getting the 2 keys cut, and then everything will be finished. There it is, people. Make sure you bring your car with you. Double check the key before you leave to make sure there are no burrs or anything. I'm only going to show you part of the key. It's a really weird shaped key, and it needs a laser to go in there and cut it the right depth and the right width. So, hey, they are awesome people, and they saved me a fortune. Hopefully this video is going to help somebody out. Good luck, everybody. Remember, thumbs up, subscribe, like. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. If you have something you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review.